Welcome to the 5-Day Leadership Challenge. Over the next 5 days, I'm going to be sharing with you actionable strategies to help you boost your productivity, lower your stress, and make a real impact in your leadership journey. If you're ready to see real results, stick with me each day. By the end of our challenge, you'll have a clear action plan to elevate your leadership skills. Hi, I'm Warren Wandling, and for those that don't know me, I've had the privilege to be able to work with leaders and emerging leaders nationwide. And the strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you in the next 5 days, I've seen great results myself, as well as my clients have experienced results as well. I'm really passionate about working with leaders like you to really help you to unlock your potential to be able to achieve more with less stress. So here's what we're going to accomplish in the next 5 days. I'm going to provide you with power-packed strategies to sharpen your leadership skills. By the end of those 5 days, you'll have an individualized action plan that you'll be able to focus on to increase your productivity while reducing stress and overwhelm. If you've not already downloaded the program book that goes along with this 5-day challenge, there's a link below in our YouTube channel. So here's what's coming up. How to make your hours matter each day. Identify and focus on key goals. Overcoming the tug-of-war between mindset and productivity, how to boost your energy and get more done, and journaling strategies that will keep you on track. So let's dive in today's topic, which is the productivity focus form. This is a tool that I use with my clients, either in our workshops, our seminars, and our group training and coaching programs. So let's say that you're standing outside. It's a beautiful sunny day, and in your right hand, you have a magnifying glass, and you're moving it to the right and to the left, and to the right and the left. What would happen? Well, if you're thinking to yourself, absolutely nothing, you're exactly right. Nothing would happen. But let's say on that same sunny day, you held that magnifying glass still. What could happen? You could start a fire, and that's correct. That really is the power of focus. So concentrating your energy in the right activities, it will give you great, powerful results. So that's why today we're going to focus on your HPAs, or your high payoff activities. Yes, this is around the 80-20 rule. We're going to focus on 20% of your activities to produce 80% of your results. Oftentimes, leaders will have so many responsibilities, they focus on 80% responsibilities, only getting 20% of results. But we're going to turn that around using the HPA principle. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to challenge you to come up with 3 to 5 HPAs around your leadership position. So those might be, an HPA might be about building relationships. Maybe you want to build relationships with other leaders that are going to help mentor and sharpen your developing your leadership skills. Maybe it's about building relationships with your team. So maybe you come up with a communication plan to help elevate and foster those relationships with your team. Maybe it could be around planning. So an HPA definitely can be around planning. So being intentional about how are you going to use your day. So planning daily, weekly, monthly, but scheduling that specifically. Or it could be around your leadership development plan. Maybe you're focused on developing your emotional intelligence, or you want to focus on sharpening your communication skills, whatever that may be. So maybe it's around the leadership plan. That could be an HPA. Or it could be focused on 7 specific categories that will really help the leader get more balance in their day. So it could be around an HPA around your career, around family, around personal development or leadership development, your finances, health and wellness, social or volunteering back into your community, or spiritual. So now let's take a look at 3 to 5 activities. So it goes back to you to help identify that. So I want you to think of 3 to 5 HPAs that you can identify, and I want you to write those down specific that has a measurable mark to it. So for an example, let's say your HPA is about building relationships. I want you to schedule into your calendar specifically saying, I'm going to meet with 3 or 5 individuals during the week for coffee. So it's measurable and you know specifically of when you're going to focus on that HPA. Maybe if planning is your HPA, maybe you want to block out 30 minutes just at the end of the day to help you schedule the next day, or maybe you're going to schedule early in the morning before your day starts so you know how you're going to use your day. But just make sure that your HPA is clear, it's measurable, and you know exactly during the day that you're going to follow through on that specific HPA. So have you ever felt really busy, or you felt like you're busy for the week or for the month, and then you thought, what did I really accomplish? So I get it, it's frustrating. But by identifying and focusing on your HPAs, you're really able to get sharp, tangible results. So tomorrow, we're going to dive into a powerful technique to supercharge your productivity and really lower your stress even further. So trust me, you won't want to miss that. Until next time, be on purpose.